Nice and relaxed, and you're gonna get that pec push for your depth and a body lead for the tension. And then you're gonna push with this left and pull with that right and have it go through just like that. And we're gonna sink in first, and that's 5-6. Push with that pec and see, is that compressing or not? Then work our way down. That's 6-7. And then we're gonna go 7-8. In whichever area feels like it's not compressing enough, that's where that scar tissue is. So let's say this one's at C6, C7. I'm gonna start here nice and neutral. My arms are nice and relaxed on my side. And what I'm gonna do is take this right hand and push it into my left. That allows my thumb to sink in there nice and easy. Then what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get some depth by pushing with my pec, and my tension is going to be that body lean. I'm going to be nice and loaded, and as we said, I'm going to push with this left leg and pull with the right, and we're going to go nice and easy, and I'm going to keep that pressure and that tension and let that slide over my finger. I'm not sliding my finger, I'm letting it come to me.